So I come home and I found Mellow here at the entryway. I left her cage open, but I guess she flew out. Usually she waits for me until I get home before she go out of her cage, but she was out here waiting for me. Huh, Mellow? What were you doing all day, Mellow? I saw some droppings in here, so I think she was hanging out in this area, right by the door. I think she wants to go outside. Huh, Mellow? You can't fly anyway, so... Yeah, what were you doing out here, Mellow? You trying to run away? Yeah? What were you doing out here, huh? You must have been bored, huh? In your cage? That's okay. Come here. I know you want some scratching. Huh? Yeah, I think she was just hanging out here. The entryway. Because I saw some droppings. The question is, how long was she out? I have a little spy camera. Spy cam that I bought. Just to kind of check on them when I'm away. But last time I checked, about a couple hours ago, she was, well, around 2. She was still in her cage.